Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to connect an Eero Wi-Fi system to your Starlink internet service for stronger wireless coverage throughout your home. Start by making sure your Starlink connection is fully set up and working. Open the Starlink app and verify that the dish has finished installing and that your internet connection is active before adding your Eero devices. Next, check whether your Starlink hardware includes an Ethernet port. Some newer models have one built in, while older rectangular Starlink systems require the official Starlink Ethernet adapter before you can connect a third party router like Eero. For the best results, open the Starlink app, go to Settings, and turn on Bypass Mode. This disables the Starlink Wi Fi so your Eero system can act as the primary router. It also helps prevent network issues such as doable NAT. If you prefer to keep the Starlink Wi-Fi enabled, you can leave the setting off, but bypass mode is generally the recommended option. Now connect an Ethernet cable from the Starlink Ethernet port or adapter to the WAN or Internet port on your main Eero device. Only the primary Eero should be connected directly to Starlink. If the internet doesn't come online right away, restart both the devices, unplug them, wait about 30 seconds, power on Starlink first, let it fully reconnect, and then turn on your Eero. Finally, open the Eero app and follow the setup instructions to create your Wi-Fi network. If you have additional Eero units, you can add them through the app and place them around your home to extend coverage and create a seamless mesh network. And that's how you can connect Eero to Starlink. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.